How to turn off stolen device protection to reset your Face ID. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off stolen device protection to reset your Face ID. So without any further ado, let us begin. First of all, head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, this is the initial page you'll be on. Now simply scroll down below. After you scroll down below, go to privacy and security. After you're there, scroll down all the way. And after you scroll down all the way, you will see a section called security. Now tap on it and you'll get on stolen device protection. Now under there, you will see this toggled on. Now if this is toggled on, you can simply turn it off by toggling it off. Now stolen device protection is a really useful and a really important setting and a feature in your iPhone. Now this provides an extra layer of security to your iPhone, and in case your iPhone gets stolen, the thief or the one that stole it cannot use your iPhone. So I recommend you to not turn it off, but if you do have to turn it off, simply toggle the button off and go through your Face ID or your passcode. After you do that, it's turned off. In case you cannot turn it off and it says you to wait for an hour, do so and make sure that you do not turn your phone off or do not restart your iPhone during that period of time. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video too.